Welcome to Mind Well Nova channel. He's always fine. He always shows up. He holds it all together. Until one day, he can't. He's your brother, your partner, your father, your friend. He's suffering, not loudly, not visibly, but silently, completely, and the world calls it strength. But silence isn't strength. It's the mask men were taught to wear. This is the mask we're tearing off today. It starts young. A boy falls, he's told to get up. A boy cries, he's told to stop. A boy shows fear, he's told to man up. That boy learns early, love is conditional. Safety is rare, and emotion is a threat to both. So he becomes the protector, the provider, the performer, but never the one who's allowed to say, I'm hurting too. By the time he becomes a man, he doesn't know how to feel. Because no one ever taught him he was allowed to. What does male pain look like? It looks like overworking. It looks like perfectionism. It looks like silence in arguments. It looks like ghosting when things get too real. It looks like, just tired, every day. He doesn't cry in front of you. He cries in the car, in the shower, or not at all. He doesn't say, I'm overwhelmed. He just gets quiet, distant, cold. But that's not apathy. It's emotional frostbite. Because vulnerability has always been punished. And pretending has always been praised. We reward men for hiding. We applaud them for enduring. And we call it maturity. But what happens when a man's identity becomes survival? He becomes emotionally dehydrated. He disconnects from his body. He lives on autopilot. And the worst part? He doesn't even realize it's killing him. Until it hits, panic attacks, explosive anger, or complete numbness. We call these breakdowns. But really, they're breakthroughs. The body's way of saying, I can't carry this anymore. You won't see a headline about this. But it's everywhere. In the guy who jokes too much but never talks about himself. In the one who goes quiet when things get personal. In the man who supports everyone but says, I'm good, when you ask about him. This isn't rare. This is common. Just unspoken. Because men were taught, you are what you can endure. And so they carry pain like it's a badge of honor, until they collapse under the weight of it. 1 in 4 men will experience a mental health struggle this year. No speaking, most will never say a word. Downward trend men are 3 to 4 times more likely to die by suicide than women. Downward trend 75% of them never reached out for help. This isn't just a gender gap. This is a graveyard of unspoken pain. And every time we say, he was so strong, after he's gone, we confirm the lie that silence was the right choice. The truth is, they want to. They crave connection. They feel deeply. But every time they try to speak, they remember being laughed at, dismissed, told to get over it. So now, even when they're drowning, they stay silent. Because silence hurts less than shame. This is not ego. This is protection. This is trauma with a name tag that reads, I'm fine. Here's the truth. Men don't need saving. They need safety. They need spaces where it's okay to say, I don't know who I am anymore. I feel like a failure. I need help. So let's give them that space. Let's ask real questions. Let's stop laughing at their vulnerability. Let's stop rewarding silence. Let's stop telling boys to be tough and start telling them they're enough. Let's make softness masculine. Let's make empathy loud. Let's make mental health human. Now I want to speak directly to you. Yes, you. If you've been silent, if you've been hurting, if you've been pretending, I see you. And I want you to hear me when I say, you are allowed to feel. You are allowed to cry. You are allowed to struggle. You are allowed to ask for help. And none of it makes you less of a man. In fact, that makes you the strongest kind of man. Not the one who hides, but the one who heals. So please, say something. Say it to a friend. Say it to a therapist. Say it out loud. Say it to yourself. Just don't let silence be your legacy. Let this be the moment you rewrite your story. Let this be the moment you stop surviving and start living.